We are on our way to Kreta Iyer People's Theatre. Our little one is going to perform Bharatnatyam on stage. It's not her first performance on a stage though. Her preschool had its annual concert last November where she performed in a group with her batchmates, and she will perform in a group even today. However, today the feeling is slightly different from how I felt after seeing her performing in her preschool concert 8 months back. Because she is not just dancing on the stage this morning, but her performance will also relieve her parents a little bit, who have often wondered how to make their daughter know and experience the Indian culture and tradition even after staying away from India. And introducing her to Indian music and dance forms from an early age seemed like the best option to us. While ANASFA, an art and artist school of fine arts, gave us the opportunity we were searching for our daughter. ANASFA, with its several branches in Singapore, organizes their annual day which they lovingly call ANASFA Utsav every year. We were in Kreta Iyer People's Theatre last year too and watched the gorgeously dressed Bharatnatyam and Kathak dancers, Hindustani classical singers, mridangam and violin players perform on the stage. But our daughter had just started to learn dancing at that time, so it was too early for her to perform. However, time flies really fast, and now here we are inside the same theatre again with pounding hearts and butterflies in our stomachs as she is going to match her steps to the rhythms of the song Pappa Padal.
अम्बुजवासिनि सुन्दरि वाणी सरस्वती देवी नमोस्तुते पुस्तकदारिणि बुद्धिप्रदायिनि पुस्तकदारिणि बुद्धिप्रदायिनि वीणापाणि त्रिनयनि पाहि
ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ
Honestly speaking, we have seen her rehearsing at home and in her recorded dance practice sessions several times in the past couple of weeks. So much so that I almost know her dance steps and the mistakes she makes by heart. Dress rehearsals, attending the makeup workshop, shopping in Little India for her hair accessories, getting her dressed up for this morning, just name it. I and her father have been a part of the behind the scenes process so much that I wondered if we would be really thrilled to see her on stage today or not. After all, we know what she is going to do up there. But as she dances with the rest of the little dancers, I am unable to take my eyes away from her. She has made mistakes even on stage too. I can see that. But then I look back at her first tiny steps inside Anaspa's classroom 1.5 years back. She didn't know why she was thumping her feet to her dance teacher's instructions. And now, when I watch her perform a 4-minute song on stage, I realize how far she has come.
சின்னஞ்சிறு குருவி போலே நீ திரிந்து பறந்து வா பாப்பா வண்ண பறவைகளை கண்டு நீ மனதில் மகிழ்ச்சி கொள்ளு பாப்பா ஓடி விளையாடு பாப்பா நீ ஓய்ந்திருக்காது பாப்பா கூடி விளையாடு பாப்பா ஒரு குழந்தையை வையாதே பாப்பா காலை எழுந்த உடல் படிப்பு பின்பு கனிவு கொடுக்கும் நல்ல பாட்டு மாலை முழுதும் விளையாட்டு சடுகுடு 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 வழக்கப்படுத்தி கொள்ளு பாப்பா காலை எழுந்த உடல் படிப்பு பின்பு கனிவு கொடுக்கும் நல்ல பாட்டு மாலை முழுதும் விளையாட்டு என்று வழக்கப்படுத்தி கொள்ளு பாப்பா ஓடி விளையாடு பாப்பா நீ ஓய்ந்திருக்கலாகாது பாப்பா கூடி விளையாடு பாப்பா ஒரு குழந்தை வையாதே பாப்பா பொய் சொல்லக்கூடாது பாப்பா என்றும் புறம் சொல்லலாகாது பாப்பா தெய்வம் நமக்கு துணை பாப்பா ஒரு தீங்கு வர மாட்டாது பாப்பா பொய் சொல்லக்கூடாது பாப்பா என்றும் புறம் சொல்லலாகாது பாப்பா தெய்வம் நமக்கு துணை பாப்பா ஒரு தீங்கு வர மாட்டாது பாப்பா ஓடி விளையாடு பாப்பா நீ ஓய்ந்திருக்கலாகாது பாப்பா கூடி விளையாடு பாப்பா ஒரு குழந்தை வையாதே பாப்பா ஒரு குழந்தை வையாதே பாப்பா ஒரு குழந்தை வையாதே பாப்பா
Of course, the performance is only a small peek towards the bigger picture for her, as she still has very little idea about India, let alone the culture and tradition. She may opt for some other dance form in the future. Probabilities of her not being willing to take up dance again and rather learning something else she enjoys more than dancing are also there. That will be her choice. But living abroad, we as parents want her to dive in as deep as she can and know more about her roots, which are not only about celebrating festive seasons back in India, but much more than that. Reading fables and epics and learning classical music and dance are only a small but significant part of that process. We can only show her the window which shows a vast blue sky up there. Whether the view outside the window really motivates her enough to open the door and step under that vast blue sky or not, that is something she can only decide for herself. But as of now, I would like to believe that she will eventually find out where she belongs to.